Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing how to get the internet speed widget in AwesomeWM. Now this method is different from the one that I did previously because this one is compatible with Arch. My last setup did not work with Arch, so I had to find a new alternative. And what you're going to want to do is install moreutils. That's moreutils. Doesn't matter if you're on Debian or Arch. I'm pretty sure it works on Debian, but I know for a fact it works on Arch. Just install those, and that should be the only prerequisite to this video. Once you've installed that, go ahead and go into your rc.lua file and go to WeBar. And if you don't know where that is, you go to menu bar configuration, keyboard map indicator and switcher, and then WeBar. Next, we'll scroll down to my internet speed widget. And so I've set two variables. I've set one of them mynet down for my down speed and mynet up for my up speed. I've set mynet down equal to alpha.widget.watch. And in parentheses and curly brackets, we put in double quotes bash, comma, double quotes C, comma, and then in double quotes, we're going to put all of this information in here. And what we wanted from moreutils was this if data. This if data allows us to pass this information through so we can read it in our WeBar. So we'll say if data dash BIPS for the down speed, and then whatever the name of your connection is. Mine happens to be ENP11S0, but I'll put something in the description to show you how you can find out what yours is. We're going to pipe that into awk, and in single quotes and curly brackets, if in parentheses $1 is greater than or equal to 1 billion, then we're going to printf with our download icon. We're going to put %.0f GB because we want to define our gigabytes, and then comma $1 divided by 1 billion because we're converting from bytes into gigabytes, and the way that you go from bytes to gigabytes is to divide it by 1 billion. And then else if in parentheses $1 is greater than or equal to 1 million because we're converting from bytes to megabytes now, then we're going to printf with our download speed icon %.0f MB comma $1 divided by 1 million. And then else if in parentheses $1 is greater than or equal to 1,000 because we're converting from bytes to kilobytes, then you printf, use the download speed icon %.0f KB comma $1 divided by 1,000. And if that number is not greater than or equal to any of those numbers, in fact if it's less than 1,000 as a matter of fact, then it's going to printf the download icon $.0FB and then comma $1. And when you're doing all this, make sure that you include these double quotes here with the backslash, or else this isn't going to work. And once you've done all of that, we're going to do comma and then 1. And we do 1 because that's our interval, and we want it to update every 1 second. And so basically what you want to do for mynet up is do the same thing that you did for mynet down, but you change the download speed icon to an upload speed, and you change the dash BIPS to dash BOPS. And then you go all the way to s.mywebox:setup and put in mynet down, comma, mynet up, comma, and stick it anywhere in this mywebox setup section, whether it's the left widgets, the middle widgets, or the right widgets. And now we have come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.